Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend after-tax income calculation for high earners. When you earn strong income and invest in dividend-paying assets, the headline yield can look attractive at first. However, what really matters is the amount you keep after taxes. Therefore, if you want a more realistic picture of your passive income, you need to calculate your dividend income on an after-tax basis instead of relying only on the gross number. First, start with your gross dividend income. Add up the total dividends you expect to receive during the year from all taxable brokerage accounts. In addition, separate domestic dividends from foreign dividends, because they may be taxed differently. This first step gives you the full pre-tax income figure before any deductions or withholding are applied. Next, identify the dividend type. This is important because qualified dividends may receive lower tax rates, while non-qualified dividends are often taxed like ordinary income. As a result, classifying your dividends correctly can significantly change your final net income. So, review your statements carefully and determine which portion of your dividends qualifies for favorable tax treatment and which portion does not. After that, add your marginal tax factors. High earners often face multiple layers of tax, not just one. For example, you may have a federal tax rate, a state or local tax rate, and in some cases an additional surtax or net investment income tax. Consequently, your total tax burden on dividend income may be much higher than you initially expect. This is why understanding your personal tax bracket is essential before estimating take-home dividend income. Then, account for foreign withholding if you receive dividends from international investments. In many cases, foreign governments withhold a portion of the dividend before the money even reaches your account. Therefore, you should check the source country withholding rate, estimate how much tax was withheld, and also see whether a tax treaty or foreign tax credit may reduce the overall impact. Once that is done, estimate your total tax drag. In simple terms, tax drag is the total reduction in your dividend income caused by all applicable taxes and withholding. So, combine the taxes linked to dividend type, your marginal tax rates, and any foreign withholding already taken. If you want a more realistic cash flow estimate, you can also consider certain investment-related costs, although taxes remain the main factor. Now you can calculate your after-tax income. A simple way to think about it is this: take your gross dividends, then subtract federal tax, subtract state tax, subtract any surtax or investment income tax, subtract foreign withholding, and finally add back any eligible foreign tax credit. The result is your estimated after-tax dividend income. For example, if gross dividends are $20,000, and your combined taxes and withholding reduce that amount significantly, your actual take-home figure may be far lower than the original headline number. At this point, compare pre-tax yield with net yield. This matters because an investment that looks attractive before tax may be less appealing once you account for the real after-tax result. In other words, don't focus only on the stated dividend yield. Instead, focus on the net income you actually keep. This helps high earners compare investments more accurately and build a portfolio that is more tax efficient. Finally, recheck everything annually. Tax brackets can change, dividend classifications can change, and your portfolio allocation can change as well. Likewise, account location and withholding rules may affect your overall efficiency from year to year. So, make it a habit to review your gross income, tax rates, dividend type, foreign withholding, and final net yield at least once every year. Overall, the process is simple when broken into steps. Start with gross dividend income, classify the dividend type, add your marginal tax factors, account for foreign withholding, estimate total tax drag, calculate your net income, compare pre-tax and after-tax yield, and then review everything again each year. By doing this, high earners can make smarter decisions, avoid overestimating passive income, and focus on the real cash flow that supports long-term wealth building. This video is for educational purposes only. Tax outcomes vary by country, state, account type, and investor situation. Please consult a qualified tax advisor before making financial, tax, or investment decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.